Hi everybody. Okay, so this is the traffic light situation. This one here is considered the north traffic light. There's an intersection, if you will, and this here is a sensor that detects like if a car is at the intersection. And on each side of the intersection there's this other traffic light here. Right now it's green. See how it's green here? And this, like the other one, this is a road sensor. It detects if there's any kind of car in that thing waiting. So right now the north traffic light is red, and what's going to happen now is somebody on the north side is going to come up and it's going to hit this sensor, and what's going to happen on the east is eventually it's going to detect this guy here, and it's going to change from green to yellow and then yellow to red, and this will, the north side, become green. So we're waiting for it to detect it because it's not instantaneous, just like a real street light would be. So as I'm holding this down, it's detecting, and there we go. We're in a yellow mode, so that's a yield, and then we'll switch these. So we have red here and we have green on this side. So traffic is allowed from the northern end of the intersection. Now if we go over to the east section, so right now if you think about it, there's traffic flowing through the north going southbound, right? And now we're going to come over here and we're going to pretend that there's a vehicle coming up to from the eastern end of the intersection. We're going to hold that down. So now there's cars flowing there. We're at a yellow on this side, and finally we're in a red. And now we have traffic going in the other direction. And they're both held down now. That means that there's cars waiting at the there's cars going through the eastern side of the intersection, and there's cars waiting at the north end of the intersection. But as like any intersection, there's got to be fair play, and eventually we'll detect that there's a vehicle in both of them, and we'll swap. Now we're at yellow on the east, and ultimately we swap over so that now traffic can flow from the north. Okay, and let's look at the components of this system. We have 6 LEDs. There's 2 red LEDs, 2 yellow LEDs, and 2 green LEDs. There are 3 470 ohm resistors. There are 2 momentary switches here. The actual logic for this is running on a Tiva C series. This is the TM4C123GXL. And the software was built using the Keil software, Keil, and written in C. So I hope you enjoyed this presentation.